Hello everyone. Are you making these Urdu common mistakes? Don't worry, many English speakers make them and they are easy to fix. Mera kitab. Correct one is Meri kitab. Why? Because kitab is a feminine noun. Mistake number 2. Ek acha kitab. The correct one is ek achhi kitab. Because the um, objectives also change according to the noun. Since kitab is feminine, we use अच्छी. Mistake 3. वो अच्छी लड़का है. The correct one is वो अच्छा लड़का है. Because लड़का is masculine, we say अच्छा लड़का. Learning these small grammar rules will help you speak Urdu more naturally and confidently. Which mistakes have you made before? Let me know in the comments. Follow me for more easy Urdu tips. If you would like to learn Urdu with me, send me a DM with Urdu